Together as we welcome Mr. Ahmed Hashif Utaifa, our first secretary from the Embassy of Iraq. Mr. Ahmed Hashif Utaifa, our first secretary, Embassy of Iraq. Mr. Ahmed Hashif Utaifa, First Secretary, Embassy of Iraq. Thank you so much. May I welcome Vikas Gupta to please join us on stage. May we please welcome Mr. Rafael on behalf of Ambassador of Chile to kindly join us here. Mr. Rafael, thank you. Dr. Parmeet Singh Chadda, please to join us here. Dr. Parmeet Singh Chadda, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. We're very excited for the lucky draws, but as Dr. Gaurav Gupta said, yes, we'll also wait for the next few more minutes. So I'm going to request Dr. Rashmi Saluja once again for the lucky draw. Okay, so this is the way it is. We do have a lot of lucky draws yet, and this is a business class ticket for free travel return tickets to Vietnam. It's sponsored by Vietnam Airlines, and we also request sir to kindly join us here from Vietnam Airlines. Mr. Jaydeep from Vietnam Airlines to please join us here. We truly love this because we've been receiving a lot of business cards even now, so in case you have your business card, feel free to give it to us. I don't mind you repeating it. I think everything is fair as far as gifts and winning is concerned. So in case you want to repeat and have one more business card, yeah, you can do that too. I'm not sure. And let us see who the winner is. May I request from Vietnam Airlines,
I think so.
sir, to join us as well.
We should let you decide. Please come. Please, or me. Or me. The Seychelles is going to decide for Vietnam.
Wow.
Please, my God.
Good luck, everyone.
Oops. No, this is not. This is basically India, Vietnam, and Hong Kong. So this wouldn't work.
Dr. Rashmi, you're very excited at first to say that, no, let's have another one. That's not me.
Mohammad Taha Tadipatri, Project Officer, Economic and Commercial, Thailand. India Business Information Center, Royal Thai Embassy. So this person is here?
Thai Embassy? Sure. We'll announce 3 times and we'll wait. So in case they're outside, and if you're listening to this, you win a business class return ticket to Vietnam.
So
and
please
the winner
announce the
is Mohammad Taha Tadipatri, Project Officer,
So from
Thailand, India
Aditya
Business
Birla
Information
Group,
Center.
Swachanand Srivastav. Aditya Birla Group, Swachanand Srivastav. So the gentleman,
Oh, someone is running. You almost doing a marathon.
oh,
The gentleman is here. Wow, you all set to fly business class to Vietnam. Wow. This is special. Oh, we have both the gentlemen here.
congratulations. So first,
Do we have Mohammad Taha also here with us? Okay. Mohammad Taha is also. Oh, both of you came running. Who should we give the gift to then? Okay, so Dr. Rashmi, both the winners are here. Now, we need to have one more game to decide who's going to fly business class to Vietnam. Yes, Dr. Rashmi, you're the best decision taker.
yeah. So we have, because the Thai guy was not here, so we got the Aditya Birla groups. Now we have 2 people for the same prize, so we can actually give one each, one for the airline and one ticket for Palace on the Wheels.
No, Palace on the Wheels is like Gaurav Gupta says, like, oh, we're going to do it in the end. 11
But we have to give one prize. Okay, so we will decide which one is to Myanmar and which is that. Okay, so let me try. Which is for?
We have one more from Myanmar, so one of them. So let's have a tie between the two and
Okay, so I'm.
who the lucky one is.
Okay, let me decide.
Sure. So we'll decide now the card which comes first. All right, you're going to fly business class to Vietnam, and the card which is behind goes economy class ticket to Myanmar. Is that fair enough? All right. Is it fair enough, guys? Everyone? Yes. Okay. Come on, you need to say, so she's doing the shuffle, you just need to say stop. Okay, so which is the card? So this card goes to Vietnam. Let's put hands together for Swachanand Srivastava from Aditya Birla Group. You fly to Vietnam, business class. And you fly a return ticket to Myanmar.
I think so. This was. Now Seychelles can congratulate to both.
Can we have Mr. Jaideep from Vietnam Airlines to present the same? And can we request Dr. Gaurav Gupta to be here with us for the same?
Srivastava. And have a nice flight.
May I request Mr. Jaideep to be present with us to present the same?
A humble request to Mr. Jaideep, wherever you outside, kindly join us in the ballroom, please. Mr. Jaideep, please. Thank you, Mr. Jaideep. Please join us here. We're going to have a beautiful photo op with Mr. Jaideep too. We can all come on stage. We can all be on stage if it's okay for you all. Thank you, love. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, sir. Heartfelt congratulations to you, sir. And you win a trip to Myanmar. Amazing congratulations to Mohammad Taha Tadipatri Congratulations to you, dear sir.
We are getting.
Our project officer, Economic and Commercial Thailand.
Can we have Mr. Sanjay Kapoor with us on the stage, please?
A humble request to Mr. Sanjay Kapoor to please join us here on stage. So we do have. Sure. Sure. Thank you very much. Before we move ahead, we're going to have, once again, our international artist, Amina, winning hearts with her lovely performance. Let's put hands together as we like to welcome Amina once again. One earth, one family, one future. With all of us having this grand celebration together, let's enjoy this lovely performance coming your way. Thank you. Presenting Amina. Music, please. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, there's also an exclusive invitation for GDDCI attendees who are all here with us, where we get a 50% discount on Palace on Wheels departures. Thank you. 50% is absolutely, truly credible. But let me tell you, besides that, we do have a lucky draw. We are awaiting who's the lucky one. But besides that, dear guests, this is on behalf of Mr. Bhagat Singh Ji, and we truly thank you from the bottom of our heart. In his own words, where he says, I, Bhagat Singh Ji, O&M Director of the Palace on Wheels, is really excited to announce that for the first time in the history of the Palace of Wheels, they are collaborating with GDDCI, which is why they are offering exclusive 50% discount. While this offer is valid for departures in October and November, the Palace on Wheels is a symbol of grandeur and heritage, offering a royal travel experience that takes you to an opulent journey through India's most magnificent cities. Launched by Indian Railways and Rajasthan Tourism, the train showcases India's rich cultural legacy with state-of-the-art amenities and regal interiors that ensures guests feel like royalty. It is an unforgettable journey through the vibrant landscapes and historical wonders of Jaipur, Chhattisgarh, and so many other places including Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bharatpur, and Agra. Recently, the Palace on Wheels was awarded the prestigious title of #1 luxury train in the world. So we're very excited to announce this, as well as we're awaiting the lucky draw. And now, I'm going to please once again request Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Dr. Rashmi Saluja to kindly join us here. May I kindly request Mr. Saurabh Gupta and Navratan Agarwal, sir, to kindly join us here on stage. Mr. Navratan Agarwal and Mr. Saurabh Gupta, please. A humble request to Sapna Chauhan, ma'am, to please join us here on stage. Mr. Vimal Jain, to kindly join us here on stage. Humble request, as we like to truly have our distinguished dignitary from the Embassy of USA. May we kindly welcome our representative from the Embassy of the United States of America to kindly join us here on stage. It's a humble request to our representative from USA to please join us here on stage. From the Embassy of China, may we kindly request representative from the Embassy of China. A humble request to have representative from Kyrgyzstan to join us here on stage. Thank you, sir. Sir, we are completely in love with Kyrgyzstan. I've visited it for consecutive 2 years, and what a beautiful weather it has. 12 months and the natural beauty of Kyrgyzstan. May we all put our hands together for sir from Kyrgyzstan for joining us here. We welcome you on behalf of our second Global Diplomacy Gala Night, brought to us by GDDCI. Ladies and gentlemen, may we all put our hands together for sir from Kyrgyzstan. May we please welcome our representative from Romania to kindly join us here. The Embassy of Romania to please join us here. A humble request to Mr. Bui Trong from Vietnam to please join us on stage. Mr. Bui Trong from Vietnam.
On behalf of Mr. Bui, we have any diplomats from Vietnam. Please join us on the dais. I would request our members to please cooperate and send some diplomats. They are having their food because then the felicitation will be over. Please bring them in as soon as possible.
That's okay, sir. From the Embassy of Romania, may we kindly welcome our representative, our dignitary from the Embassy of Romania. Let's put hands together as we welcome from the Embassy of Egypt, our distinguished dignitary from the Embassy of Egypt. From the Embassy of Egypt, may we kindly welcome our distinguished dignitary. May I kindly welcome our hospitality partner, Mrs. and Mr. Kapoor, from Radisson Blue Plaza, Delhi Airport.
On their behalf, can be present, can accept.
Mr. Ashwini Goyal, can... Mrs. Ashwini Goyal. May Mrs. Simi Sood, may I kindly request you all to join us on stage. May we kindly request Mr. Vineet Nahata, Director. Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You're wearing a beautiful sunshine color, brightening up the stage further. Thank you so much, ma'am.
आप विमल जैन कहो, मैं बता दूंगा आपको, इसमें नहीं है वो, इसमें नहीं है, it is not there on this. नहीं, आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो, पूरा ये बोल दो.
May we kindly welcome Mr. Vimal Jain, Director, Vimal Export Marketing, to kindly join us on stage. Mr. Vimal Jain, please. And thank you for all your love and support. We look forward. There's a special honor as we like to welcome Dr. Nivedita Kavadia, a seasoned healthcare professional with over 15 years of experience, specializing in aesthetics, cosmetology, and functional medicine. Currently a wellness consultant at the Wellness Co. India. She has significantly contributed to the growth of clinic. Sir, we truly thank you. Thank you so much. May we please put hands together as we welcome Dr. Nivedita Kavadia.
Now we have Mr. Vimal here. We have Mr. Vimal here.
Thank you, Mr. Vimal Jain. Thank you so much, the Director of Vimal Export Marketing, and we thank you for this wondrous association and look forward to a continued association in the future. May we all put hands together for Mr. Vimal Jain. May we kindly continue the applause as we welcome Dr. Nivedita Kavadia on stage, please. Dr. Nivedita Kavadia, please. Let's put hands together as we like to welcome Mr. Amit Chaturvedi, the Director of SETU. A special recognition and a felicitation for Mr. Amit Chaturvedi. Yes, sir, it's for you only, sir. Thank you, Amit. Thank you so much, Mr. Amitji. Our associate partner is Arab India Spices Limited. Harish Telyani ji, the co-founder and managing director of Arab India Spices, who began his journey in 1994 when he left Gujarat, India, to lead his family's struggling spice trading business in the UAE. It's time for us to congratulate Arab India Spices Limited, Harish Telyani, and to receive this very special recognition. May I kindly request Ms. Neetu to join us here on stage. Ms. Neelu, please. Thank you, Ms. Neelu, once again for joining us here on stage. Thank you, Ms. Neelu. While today the Arab India Spices operates a state-of-the-art facility in Ajman with 19 production lines processing over 700 metric tons daily. Ms. Neelu, we look forward to a continued association in the future as well with Arab India Spices Limited. I'm going to kindly request Mr. Divakar Agarwal, Chairman, BLS International, on behalf of Mr. Divakar, Ms. Pallavi, to kindly join us on stage. Thank you, Mr. Divakar Agarwal. Ms. Pallavi, please join us on stage. Thank you, Ms. Pallavi. I can see your brisk walk. I'm going to simultaneously request Mr. Jaydeep from Vietnam Airlines to please join us on stage. Mr. Jaydeep from Vietnam Airlines, please to join us on stage. Thank you, Ms. Pallavi. Let's welcome Dr. Subhash Goyal, Chairman, Stick Travel Group, on stage, our travel partner, welcoming. Thank you, Mr. Jaydeep. Vietnam Airlines, Mr. Jaydeep, ladies and gentlemen, a huge roar of applause. From Myanmar Airlines?
Vietnam.
Yeah, Vietnam Airlines.
Vietnam, beta. आप बुलाओ Mr. Sanjay.
We are truly thankful to Vietnam Airlines. Thank you so much, sir.
Mr. Sanjay Kapoor, on behalf of Dr. Subhash Goyal, our travel partner.
May I kindly request Mr. Sanjay Kapoor to join us here on behalf of our travel partner, Dr. Subhash Goyal, the chairman of Stick Travel Group. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Kapoor.
Next, Mr. Support partner, Mr. Dipankar Parashar, his wife has come, Adi Transfer.
May we kindly request the wife of Mr. Dipankar Parashar, our support partner, the director of AADE Trans Logistics, to kindly join us here. Mrs. Dipankar Parashar ji, please. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Mrs. Kanchan Singh, on behalf of Mr.
May I kindly request Mrs. Kanchan Singh, on behalf of Mr. Vijay Chaudhary, the chairman of Ram Ratan Group. Ma'am, thank you so much. You can be here with us. Just allow us 20 seconds. You look lovely tonight. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, we appreciate the cheer and the applause. Ma'am, please kindly join us here on stage. On behalf of Mr. Vijay Chaudhary, the chairman, Ram Ratan Group, ma'am, thank you so much for joining us here. Our support partner, Mr. Neeraj Sharma from the travel company, to kindly join us here. Mr. Neeraj Sharma from the travel company. May we kindly invite Mrs. and Mr. Kazim Samandari, the promoters of. May we welcome Mr. Piyush Gupta, the owner of Prabhat Prakashan, our gifting partner, Mr. Piyush Gupta, please. May we kindly welcome? Just two more. Yes. Richa Mishra to kindly accept it on behalf of Religare Group. And thank you, ma'am. Rashmi, ma'am, we love you. May we welcome Richa, ma'am. Please, thank you. Yes.
It's a two-way thing. It's a two-way thing.
Shubham, please join us on stage. And Shubham, thank you for everything. This is very, very special. Thank you to the trailblazer, Shubham Gupta, as well. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. The loudest cheer and huge applause. Let's give it up. Very, very special. May we please welcome Neha Singh to accept it from Kama Ayurveda, Neha Singh, please. She's outside. Sure. All right, sir. Now, ooh la la la, this is very exciting. Guys, give me the microphone. Are we ready? Who the lucky one is to actually enjoy Palace on wheels, everything on the house. Yes, first we're going to have the grand unveiling. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall have the unveiling of GTTCI Biz Gateway. It is a very, very special moment for us as we have a very special unveiling. Shubham, you're very excited, but we're going to have it in the next few minutes from now, right after we have the grand unveiling at the countdown of 5, the unveiling of GTTCI Biz Gateway. What is this all about? A humble request, as we like to please invite all the ambassadors and diplomats on stage. All the ambassadors and diplomats on stage. Please, it's a humble request to all of you to join us together. Yes, sir. Please, please. All the ambassadors and diplomats as well to join us on stage. Please. Your Excellencies, this is also a final picture, and then I'm going to request everyone to be on stage when we also announce the Palace on Wheels Lucky Draw 2. Yes, sir. Are we ready? 5, countdown of 5. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartfelt congratulations, the grand unveiling. The GTTCI Biz Gateway, empowering global trade and collaboration.
We are
Heartfelt
proud to announce
congratulations
the unveiling
for
of
this.
GTTCI Biz Gateway today. It is a platform aimed to enhance cross-border business transactions. It will provide free access for all global businesses.
Please be here, please be here, everybody. Few more photos.
Embassies will get exclusive access for trade leads, and members will be able to create and manage business profiles, RSVP and participate in global events, post and respond to business leads. There will be a verified business lead system and lead filtering options by sector, industry, country and continent. This will prove to be a game changer in terms of cross-border business. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubham. This is massive. Wow. So we're going to have a few photo ops because this picture is very, very special for us. And congratulations for the grand unveiling. And since we have the ambassadors and the diplomats on stage, Shubham, should we also go ahead with the lucky draw here itself? If you're fine, because
that is the way to go.
it's a very, very special. Please be here with us. Please be here with us. Yes, Gaurav.
Yes, we have few felicitations left and we are enjoying dinner and dances. And I would request now the final countdown for the biggest lucky draw. I would request Bhagwan Singh ji come forward from the Palace on Wheel to take the lucky one. And who is lucky, I will go along with him. That you have to promise. Please, everybody, last chance to take to give your card. No double cards. It will be bogey.
Hey,
Don't put 2 cards. It will be bogey. Yes. No. No, we announced many times, sir. Last chance, please.
So are we ready? This is a very, very... Oh, everyone is very excited. Wow. I have no idea. Oh, so all right. So we have a lot of business cards. We need to shuffle. Dr.
Lord,
Rashmi.
Last chance.
This is a last chance. Any more business cards,
We are
please?
closing.
Anybody more
Closing
cards?
time.
Anybody please come forward. And if there are 2 cards, you can put one for you and one for your wife.
No more cards now.
Put.
Last card.
Some more card. Oh, nice. Any other cards? Any more card? Where is your card, Simran? Where is your?
It is like palace on wheel.
So I'm going to put my card for you. Okay?
Very good. Simran, you are
Yes,
so lucky.
I'm just going to give you that.
I'm so lucky. All right, so let's announce it once again. And now this is the moment of the evening. But before that, with folded hands and with tons of gratitude, we want to thank each and every one of you on behalf of GDTCI for this very magnificent and spectacular, one of its kind, truly, the second Global Diplomacy Gala Night. And let us see
Just a
who
minute,
the
just a
lucky
minute.
winner is.
Ek second, ye kursi.
To win, oh, you want to win? Your
I-
Excellency?
I have put two cards, one for me and one for Simran.
Oh, that's so sweet. Love you for
Where
this.
is your card? Where's your card, man?
Where's your?
It's here.
Oh, it's business card. All right.
So what I'm going to do is, he says
Yeah.
I want to shuffle. I'm just putting it here so that anybody can. No, I'll put it down here so that itne mein hota hi nahi hai. Sir, ek minute. Sir, aap देखेंगे नहीं.
Okay, so this is a shuffle, and this is worth 11 lakh rupees. Let us see who wins. My heart is beating faster.
Nobody's card gets disqualified.
I don't want to miss out on your conversation. That's important.
I think so. This is.
Yeah.
27?
7 nights, palace on wheel, luxurious train all over the world. This worth 11 lakhs 34,000 rupees.
So okay. So I correct
kidding,
myself.
I'm not-
It's not just 11 lakhs. It's 11 lakhs 34,000 Indian rupees. One person. Yes.
One room on the palace on wheel for 2 persons.
That's romantic. That's romantic too.
बंद करिए, आँख बंद करके देखेंगे आप.
All right. And this is for the very first time. Palace on Wheels is associating with GDDCI. Thank you.
Bag. Everybody have a gift coupons in their bag also for the 50% discount, which is a great offer today.
Yes. And it's for the very first time that Palace on Wheels has given this offer. Dr. Rashmi, I haven't seen you so overwhelmed.
This is actually everybody's a kid here.
I can't see any card popping up yet. Take a picture. Don't miss this moment. Video.
Oh!
Oh, some embassy. Whoa! Where is he?
No. This is Alexei. Alexei from Russian Federation, third secretary. Alexei Varakazin, Embassy of Russian Federation. Oh, he left it. Not here.
Seriously. Let's repeat it again.
Why?
Because he's gone.
No, he's outside.
Where is Russia?
No matter what.
Where is Russia? Then we will have another one. So I'll count till 5. If the gentleman is not here, we'll take another one. 1, 2, 3,
Hey, 1 second.
4.
Oh, he is here.
Just here.
He is here.
Good form.
Sir, we were like, it's on you.
Where he is? Come, call him.
Only if he's
Come.
He gets it only if he's present.
He will only get it if he's present.
No. This is not fair.
He's not present. It's not you.
No. 1 second.
Oh!
Who is this?
OMG.
This is Binod. This is winner. Who is
Is
this?
it you? Is it you?
So we are taking another card.
We're taking another
We are
one.
taking another card now.
Where is
One more draw. Oh, is he there? Oh, she knows him.
एक मिनट सामने से हटो.
Oh no.
This is not fair if I not give this
No,
prize
if
to
he's
him.
not here, then we'll not give. If he's gone, then gone.
You want one more. You want one more.
Another one.
But
We'll give another one.
Palace on Wheels, 7 nights, free of cost.
No, not this one. So we
who
will
is this?
we will call
Where is
5. No,
he? No, he is here.
he left. We'll take another card. Okay, so we take the new card
Okay,
out.
one more. But
And
I
now
will
this
give
card
information.
should be a person who is here. Okay? Yes. All right. So I think so. We have to ask Simran to close her eyes. She will take the award out. Simran, you're lucky for us. Lucky for somebody.
Please come to that stage.
Yes. No. Simran will do it for us.
May the luckiest couple win this.
Mix
Please
karo,
tell
mix
me,
karo,
please tell me,
mix,
please tell me.
Mix.
Are we ready? Oh, should we like shuffle? Okay. Y'all want to do that?
Okay, now is the yes, Simran. Jai Mata Di.
Jai Mambe, Jai Mata Di. Okay.
Jai Palace on Wheels.
Jai Palace on Wheels.
No, this is bogus again, Alexi.
Again.
I think so. I will take out the card. He's gone.
2 cards. I was just kidding. I said you can have 2 business cards. This is unbelievable.
So now I
This is
will take
already
it out.
out of the race.
Unbelievable.
It is out of the race.
No,
Yes, Dr. Rashmi, I'll hold this
no,
for you,
this is
okay?
not fair.
So are we ready?
Don't
Are
this
we
way.
ready?
It is again Russia.
What name? What name?
I think so. Russia's lucky day.
Actually, India love Russia.
Economic division. Zalata.
India, Russia. India, Russia Union.
That's you.
Where that card?
Oh, so that's the
Okay.
winner. So that's it. That's you.
Come here, come here.
Are you aware what?
Come here, come
are you
here.
aware
You
what
also.
you won, Dr. Rashmi? She has no idea what she's won. So let me tell you, you win a prize for 2, you and your loved one, to travel on the house, absolutely free of cost, for Palace on Wheels, which is the most luxurious train ever in our country, India, worth 11 lakhs 34,000 rupees. That's 1100,000 rupees plus 34,000 rupees, completely free of cost. Do you want to donate this to someone?
Oh, sure. Of course, no.
It's for you, darling. Just kidding.
Last week it has got the award of luxurious train of the world, #1, worldwide.
Palace on Wheels, the luxurious train in the world. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, the Palace on Wheels has got the best luxury train of the world, and the Bhagat Singh Ji Lohagarh is the owner of that Palace on Wheels, and he invites you, all the people, those who are attending this seminar or the event, on behalf of the GTTCI. You are invited on 23rd of this month at 5 p.m. at Safdarjung Station for showcasing of the Palace on Wheels. And he's having numerous hotels, palaces with him, and he's the owner of the Bharatpur Palace Hotel also. So you're all invited, and this is the lucky draw to the Russian people.
Thank
and
you very
we
much.
love the Russian people.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Let's do the final honors. Thank you very much.
All of you, all of you.
Yeah, please come.
Nice picture. No, no, all of you.
You please come.
But Dr. Rashmi, I think you must say something.
I have never felt so bad ever to lose that badly. I just saw train going away from me. But then I think so all of you are invited, as they are saying, on the 23rd to see this place. But I think so Russia was very lucky
Yes.
today. We had 3 lucky draws, all 3 going to Russia. So do the same.
Yeah,
here.
let's have a final group picture because everybody is hungry. Let's all GTSI member and diplomats have the final picture. Yeah, please. Sir, इनको honor अपना कार्ड दे दीजिए मैडम को.
So I think so that has been so good.
A very special moment.
Thank you very much. We have few honors left. First, we will have the final group picture with our members. Please come. Excellencies, please come back on the dais and members on
Your
front side.
Excellencies.
This guy also, because two times this
Mr.
guy
Peter.
win, so I also want to gift this guy.
Mr. Peter.
This is luckiest. Yes,
No, no, this is different, Peter.
one more.
Mr. Peter from Russian Federation.
Wow. Sir, Dr. Gaurav, sir, we need to announce this because sir is giving one more 11,34,000 Palace on Wheels, the best train of the world, a gift to.
So we are double lucky today. The second prize of the same Palace on Wheel train goes to Mr. Peter. Peter, you come. Peter.
Alexei, call Peter.
Peter, come.
So congratulations. You win Palace on Wheels with your loved one worth 11,34,000 Indian rupees.
But we have to, we have to have a song from both of you, a thank you song. Yeah?
First we have
Oh,
group picture.
beautiful. We just take this
we have
away.
group picture. Group pictures are first.
This is what you have won. Jata, this is what you have won.
Savai Madhopur. Thank you very much. Let's come back to Delhi. First have a group picture and we like to honor few people. We have our Member of Parliament, Mr. Sujit Kumar ji. Please come in the middle. We have our friend Mr. Anurag Gar, President of Raisan Club. Please come on the dais. Hello. And we have our diplomat friend from Italy. Please come in the middle. Madam Rashmi ji. Dr. Rashmi Saluja. Is okay. Please, madam.
Very happy to have from the Embassy of Belarus, from the Embassy of Italy. Thank you so much, sir.
Come from Italy. I
And
would request our friend from Madagascar.
please, we like to have all the felicitations, please. Thank you very much.
From Mr. Tisori from Madagascar.
Yes, my rings. Yes, sir. From the Embassy of Madagascar, please. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Neha Singh for Kama Ayurveda. Now final group picture, please. I would request our diplomat friends and ambassador friends, please come on the dais. Once again, final picture before dinner. Please. Please, brother friends and diplomats, Madam Seychelles, Fiji, and Seychelles friends. Our friend from Italy, Meenu ji, come join for the group final picture. From Fiji, from Palestine, from Russia, the Deputy Trade, please come. Deputy Press Secretary.
Moments of wow, the moments of wonderment.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining. And for the final vote of thanks, I would request Mr. Rishabh ji. Rishabh ji, please give the vote of thanks.
It all started with love, and with tons of love, we're thankful to each and every one of
वसुदेव
you.
कुटुंबकम पूरा विश्व हमारा परिवार है. The whole world is our family. It's a one family. A big round of applause for all of you who joined this global diplomacy gala night. From GTTCI, every member, every team, crew members, and a special thanks to Simran ji who made it possible for everyone to get recognized. Sorry for him. A big round of applause for Shri Gaurav Gupta ji, a founder chairman of GTTCI, working tirelessly to connect the world together. And we give a vote of thanks to every country, every member who joined here, His Excellencies, representatives of the countries, trade ambassadors, cultural stalwarts, and nonetheless, the team who worked behind the curtain, Shubham Gupta.
Thank you,
Shubham,
Thank
thank
you,
you
Shubham,
very
for
much.
everything.
Shubham, you have done a great work behind the curtain. There are so many names, I cannot tell all the names. But one thing, enjoy the delicacies out there, network, meet people, greet people, and enjoy the luxury of the great country called India, the Bharat. Thank you very much. Thank you, all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Love you all. Take care. Let's dine together and continue this celebration of our Global Diplomacy Gala Night. Thank you. नहीं सर मैं बिल्कुल कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ सर. I'm having so much fun here, Dr. Gaurav Gupta. Thank you so much, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, for allowing me to be a part of this magnificent celebration. And the very lovely Dr. Rashmi Saluja. I haven't seen her so happy ever, with the kind of elegance and grace she possesses. It's been completely a celebration of 2K24. Wishing all of you this Festival of Lights as we are in India, all set to celebrate the beautiful Festival of Lights, Diwali, and also wishing you further a New Year celebration. See you all for our third prestigious Global Diplomacy Gala Night next year. Let's dine together and continue the celebration. We started with love, and all we need to say is, love you all. Thank you. Hello, Miss, and we're going to enjoy the saxophone as we also going to enjoy dining together. Hi, Ali Miss. I'm very happy to listen to your saxophone.